This 2017 Dodge Charger is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Dodge Charger Daytona 340 optional equipment customer preferred package 29S $5,100 black grille body colored fascia Daytona edition group functional hood scoop cold air system by Mopar Daytona performance suede leather seats Daytona key badge carbonite interior accents Daytona decals on hood roof and trunk bright pedals super track pack performance suspension 20 and plus Hyper black forged 2 aluminum wheels projector 2 LED fog lamps park sense rear park assist system satin black rear spoiler high-speed engine controller Beats audio group $995 navigation and travel group $1,095 power sunroof $1,095 standard equipment power sliding sunroof 5.7L Hemi engine 8-speed automatic transmission keyless entry keyless start park distance control heated front seats power trunk opener power adjustable steering wheel power automatic windows power door locks go green exterior black brazen interior Dodge floor mats 2 sets of keys owner's manual 1 owner balance of factory Dodge warranty. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.